So it comes up a lot about how to add colour to folds to make bits stand out. So I've been doing this one for my daughter, so I thought I'd pop on and quickly show you how I've been doing it. I'm using Sharpie pens. They're just like normal felt pens, and what you do is you need to go along the edge of the folded tab of the bit that you want coloured. Just go along, make sure you don't hit the sides of these cuts, otherwise it'll start looking messy because it can bleed in easily and spread, and then you'll have the wrong bit highlighted. So you just carefully go like along both sides of the page, of the folded tab that you want doing. I do it like just a couple of mil really. That's just more for if like your tabs are folded uneven on certain pages, so then it just keeps the colour solid. If you want to, you can use a piece of card to rest the page on and do it that way. Because this is a multi-layer, my inverted is like further in, or like if you do the inverted style with the pages folded over like 1 centimetre first, some of you call it 180. If you do the 180 style, so just move these tabs out of the way so you can see what you're doing, and then just go along the edge, go all the way up to the edges, but again be careful not to go past them, and then do the other side. Fold your tabs back down if you've got them, and then go along there, and that's it really. That's all you need to do. That's for the inverted ones, which I recommend you do only do it on inverted. If you were wanting to add colour to some of the embossed style, then you would need to colour all of the tab. So if I was to colour these, I would colour like all of this in, plus I would just do a little bit more here for the same reason as these, just so you like compensate for any uneven pages folded. So, and that would be both sides as well. So it would be colouring in the whole tab, but I don't really want to do that. It can go a bit messy and look a bit uneven. It depends what pens you use. These ones are, well, they're brand new. I've just pinched them out my daughter's room. So the colour is like even on them, and you have to think as well where it's going to be stood. If it's going to be stood in sunlight as well, the colours will fade, and it might not fade to like say with this one purple, it might not fade to a lighter purple. It could go orange or green or anything. So like I don't usually colour folds, but like on some, if your pages are bright white, you can't really see some of the detail, then colouring can help. Or like if you're doing it for like a child, then like this one, then it just adds a bit of fun to it.